I'm going to sing his other song I wrote. Ended up being Song of the Year, 2007. Again, this song inspired by all that we do, from childhood into our adult lives. There's so much that goes on around us, and we need to celebrate all that we are here in Hawaii, the people, the places, the way we act and behave. Big hand again for Aunty Sylvia. From Hula to Nale, there's a certain way we were running. Day by day at work or play in these islands. Grandma's dancing her favorite love. Brother strumming tunes on his old guitar. Papa with the cake, laughing the night away. Love in these islands. Life in islands. Follow the beach, playing in the sand, walking into trails in steel blend, riding the sun on a rolling swell in these islands. Gathering flowers to string a lamp, being with Ohana on a special day, sharing our aloha with everyone in these islands. Tell them how, Auntie.
From the island of Hawaii to the island of Hawaii, there's a way we live our lives here in Hawaii. Day by day, at work and play, here in Hawaii. Me, I love my hula. And brother up
How's
there
about a big hand
plays
for
some
Aunty
really
Sylvia?
good music. Here with our Ohana.
If you follow your heart, you will understand that the lonely star, like the island, strolling along the midnight, telling stories by firelight, breathing the ocean of these islands, where rivers flow out to the sea, return to the land it rained on. There's no other feeling like life in these islands. Life in these islands. There you go. Cake is the future. I gotta jet off to another engagement. Thank you all. God bless everybody. Have a great week. Take care of each other. Can we hold more music coming up?
Ladies and
Love you,
gentlemen,
Melon.
superstar Kawika Kahiapo, hālau, hālau.
Gotta go. I gotta run. Sorry.
You promise, you go now, no?
Yeah.
You promise. Hālau, hālau, they sing hyena then, hyena.
Okay, I'm gonna do one more.